welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. For those people that love live streaming app, love editing live streaming, this one especially is for you. For stay at home mom, it's for students, it's for those people that are working and looking for something to still be earning while you are working. It is for you. This video is for you. It is very easy. This app is easy, it's the most easiest app and it's the best. So you want to ask me, how does this app goes? This is how it is. If you come here, after doing your verification, because they will tell you to verify, you should do your face verification. After doing it, they will not tell you are real or fake. So please, when you are doing it, make sure everywhere is bright. You can use your normal this thing hair. Make sure everywhere is bright. Don't go and do face verification for inside daytime. For inside night, sorry. Don't do it. Then you see everything here. I've done my, you see my, they say my own is real. You see the coin I've earned. See their daily tax here. I'm not hiding anything here. So you can go through it when you register. You see it. You see time that the tax will reset. See their daily tax here. Live party is on. Download the pro app. They will give me 1 coin. You can choose not to do it. Make 0/1 call. That's make 1 call last for over 5 minutes. They will pay you 666 coin. Just 1 minute, sorry, just 5 minutes call will be giving you 666 coin. There's a daily check-in. Let me click on daily check-in. Let's see if it's like it's my network. Then make call over 30. That's you make call over 30 people. Each person, it will last for 20 seconds. They'll be paying you 1,000 coin. Receive 1 rose. They'll give you 200 coin. Make call which over 10 minutes. Make call that will last for 10 minutes. They will pay you 3,333 coin. Make 3 calls which will last over 10 minutes. Another one. They will still pay you 3,333 coins. You see how the thing is very easy to get coin here. And the coin is the money. Very easy. Just try and make call that will last for 10 minutes. They will give you 3,000 coin. Make call that will last for 20 seconds. 1,000 coin. To get coin, you see how it's pretty easy. They say invite. You can invite people if you choose to. You see, I already have people that are already here. You invite people. Then if they gift you, this is where you see it. They gift you, that's where you see it. Become an agency. I will create an agency for you people. Then if you want to join anyone, you can join. Maybe there's no need of people creating. You see this place here, people that will call you. Yeah, people you chat with. This is just how it is. They will call you, they will chat with you. See, when you complete your tax, this is it. They will be paying you, be showing how they are paying you here. You see that it is easy. There's no see here. They are not hiding anything. Then if you want to call after doing your face verification, you on this day. My face is rough. I'm just waking up. Oh. You on this day to be showing your face. Give your face back. It will be showing your face. As it's showing your face, that's how you do it. That's how you call. You call people. When you show your face, leave it there. Somebody will match with you. When they match with you, then you people start talking. That's when the call will start. You start talking. When it lasts for 1 minute, it lasts for 10 minutes, they will pay you the coin. I don't think there's any other thing. If there's any other thing, you are talking about the minimum withdrawal. If you have 70,000 coin, let's go to withdrawal place. You see it. My 9,000 coin is giving me this one. See what they say. Your 70 you see the limit you can withdraw 70,000 coin. The withdrawal icon will be automatically withdrawn within 3 working days after you meet the requirement. The withdrawal amount varies by exchange rate. The automatic withdrawal function won't be locked unless a bank card is burned. That's you have to connect your bank card if you want to withdraw that. If you see the withdrawal this thing here, you can use USDT, you can use paper, you can use ePay, anyone you choose to use. Sure you get me. You see the fees there. If you are using USDT, it's 4% fee. It is pretty easy. You see it, you come and link it here. This is the best. After doing it, you put done, you save it. If I have 70,000 coin now, that should be about I don't know, calculate it with this amount that they are giving you. If 9,287 can give you 1,008, then calculate it, you will see it. This is the best way. You that is staying online, using your data anyhow, you are not going live, nothing. You are not just doing anything. This one is for you. You can just be doing this one. Then when you within 1 week sef, if you are really serious, you will have that 70,000 coin. You can be able to withdraw your money. Thank you guys. Please don't fail to comment. Turn on your notification button so that anytime I post, you will see it. Please like the video. You know when you people like it, that's when others will see it. Please do well to like it. Thank you.